still waiting on Popcorn. It's all like 9:30 and he still hasn't come on stage. Look.
Alkaline income come spend 15 minutes and I'm about him business now, but I never talk about him. I'm for one next time. Sans. Me can't wait for the light to make this review, so I make the reviews from now. People, me just have come out of Sans a while ago. And this year review, because last year me make one and it go viral because me speak the truth. And I'm a very, very transparent person, and I'm going to speak the truth tonight.
Guys, they just turned off Popcaan's mic in the middle of his performance, and that's it. They put up a sign saying safe journey.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boy Nando and I Billing with another episode, another banging vlog to share with you guys. And as it pertains to Alkaline and Popcaan, we want to talk about their performance over the Memorial Holiday, which was yesterday, Monday. So we want to talk about Popcaan and Alkaline. We see where Popcaan went to the UK to perform at City Splash, and it was a disappointment for many fans because they said that he was 1 hour late to perform, and the fans didn't get what they wanted, or I would say they didn't get as much as they wanted from the artist, which is Popcaan. They wanted more from the artist, and then we saw where his set was cut short and he was on the stage sitting down, wondering what happened, or he wanted to perform a little bit more. But we want to talk about that, and also we want to talk about Alkaline where he went to Sans to perform in Florida, and he did a stellar performance, and a patron of 10,000 came out to see him. Sans a big event already, and a lot of people always come support the Sans. So Alkaline performed at the Sans, which is his debut, his first time performing for the Sans, and it was a great performance for him. And a lot of people come out and I give them 2 cents as in regards to the whole concert, the whole show, party of Sans and so forth, and a lot of people have them thoughts for sure. So me have some clippings in the bulletin that I want to share with you guys, and we can really jump into some of them and really rebuttal or talk over some of the clippings that we see and share our thoughts also. So before we get into the vlog, I want to ask you guys to make sure to like the vlog, comment in the comment section, hit that post notification bell, and also remember to share the vlog so YouTube can also push up the vlog in the algorithm so the channel can grow even more and more. So let's just jump right into the vlog. Firstly, I want to say is big congrats to every artist out there in the dancehall space will really do it big, really play them role. We know that a lot of artists out there, them do it from a longer time, but now is the time where we see where a lot of dancehall artists really out there in our world are performing in front of thousands of people. And the dancehall, as we always say, dancehall, they back on the market on a certain level because every key players out there are play them role, like the Massacre, the Popcaan, the Alkaline, the Cartel, the Beanie Man, the whole of them, and the Donia, them, everybody, because weeks on top of weeks, we see where a lot of dancehall shows are going and a lot of dancehall concerts are taking place where the artists, them are performing in front of thousands of people. Well, we know that a lot of people want to give the credit to Vybz Kartel into saying that ever since him come out of prison, a lot of things are going right now, and they're always speaking about keeping the momentum up so that the support can dedify the culture, and the culture get bigger and bigger and be known like out there in our world. So big respect to everybody we out there I do them thing. But in this vlog, let's talk about Popcaan and Alkaline. These two artists have been a do it for a longer time. From a taller time, we see where these two artists are really bringing the culture on their back from a taller time before most of these veterans really got the access or got the visa to really go out there in our world, go tour and do shows and so forth. So we see where Alkaline went to the Sans, seeing? And in perform, and my God, when I saw the performance, even though it was 15 minutes worth of performance, but I see where a lot of patrons shared their views on the performance and said that, yo, Alkaline came out and him did a great job and they were so satisfied. And the vibe with Sans, even though it was an indoor event, the patrons were saying that they were under AC and they had a good time and so forth. So there's this lady in a video, in a viral vlog, she stated that she wants to share her 2 cents as it pertains to the whole concert with Alkaline. And also, there's another video with another lady sharing her point of view with Popcaan's concert in the UK, where she stated that she was disappointed and she just felt like Popcaan should have performed a little bit longer, even though he was 1 hour late. But just watch this video, people, and tell me what you think and share your thoughts in the comment section.
Guys, they just turned off Popcaan's mic in the middle of his performance, and that's it. They put up a sign saying safe journey, go home, and basically it's done. My man is literally sitting on the stage. He was trying to sing and there was just nothing happening. This person's drawings are sick. Big up this person's drawings, but Popcaan took a long time to come out and that's it. They've literally turned off his microphone. Guys, I can't believe it. They've literally just turned off his microphone. Like, that's it, end of story. And he's just sitting there. Party done. Party done. On time. They just turned off the mic. Brawling. Look, the man is literally just sitting there. Your drawings are amazing. Guys, Popcaan. Listen, next time, don't worry.
Though I may not know why Popcaan came out 1 hour late, as it was stated in a previous video that I saw on the internet, what I want to say is that as entertainers, you guys got to take your business serious. Professionally, you have to really be at certain places on time. Not everywhere you can go and do the same Jamaican thing and operate in the same Jamaican way. A lot of places operate in a different way and a lot of places work with time. Time management is key. So as entertainers and professional musicians, you guys got to really take your business serious and know that, yo, and not everywhere you can go with the same style or the same ways. And though we know him name Unruly Boss and you know him go to work more time with the unruliness and so forth, I won't be the one to judge and say, yo, me know why him come out 1 hour late. But regardless, he did a wonderful job, and from the clippings that I saw with him performing, we can see that a lot of the patrons, them really had a good time. It's just that the set was cut short because of him being 1 hour late on performing. So on the other end, me have another clippings with another lady stated why Popcaan 1 hour late, or she was saying Popcaan came out 1 hour late and the fans were booing him and so forth. So listen to this lady, people.
Still waiting on popcorn. It's all like 9:30 and he still hasn't come on stage. Look. How long we got to wait? Everyone's booing now. Boo! It's a lifestyle moment.
As I say, people, regardless of how everything turned out, you can see that it was a massive turnout for Popcaan and the whole City Splash, because I think Popcaan was the headliner for this show. But, you know, it was a massive turnout, and we see where Spice and Valiant made their entrance also at City Splash. And yeah, it was a good look for UK, and it was a good look also for Dancehall, because for the past few weeks, we see where Dancehall really dip on top right now. It really arise. And we know the artists, them been a do it from a longer time. As I said, the Popcaan, the Alkaline, and the Spice, them been a sell out shows, them been a do shows over the world. So But as I said, for the past few weeks, yeah, everybody really play them role. Every key players in the genre really dominate and do shows and so forth. So I love to see it and we love to see the genre keep on growing and growing. But we see where Popcaan made an apology, made an announcement on his channel, stated that he apologized to the UK massive and he hoped to make it up to them in the near future. Hopefully, him can really give them back another show with another stellar performance. Well, a longer performance, I should say. So, as stated, to my true fans in London, I'm sorry about last night and how things ended. I'll make it up to you. Love, UK. Now, as it pertains to Sands, I saw a video with a lady and she was speaking about the whole event this year, Sands 2025, and how it was an amazing event. Even though it was an indoor event, she was stated that the event was filled with AC indoor and she never had a bad moment. She never had a difficult time being in the event and having a good time. So listen to what she have to say, people.
Sands. Me can't wait for daylight to make this review, so I make the reviews from now. People, me just have come out of Sands a while ago. And this year review, because last year me make one and it go viral because me speak the truth. And I'm a very, very transparent person and me I go speak the truth tonight. You know, so me no hold back when me attack. So Sands, tonight, Memorial Day, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, me get AC and all. People, them when me pull up to them, I wonder if the right address me did have. Because me actually drive in, pay me $50 for my parking, and just go park up my big JLE. People, no problem. You see, guess what now? I think I want outdoor something. You see when I step up in the place? AC down, bus down. AC up in a that. When me tell us I pack, he pack. But guess what? It was very, very excellent. Okay? Alkaline income come spend 15 minutes and I'm about him business now, but me never talk about him. I for one next time. Me talk about Sands itself. So big up on yourself this time for understand, not because we are Floridian and we in a eat. We must always in a eat, okay, honey? Sometimes we need AC, right? And that we get tonight. So bring up the promoter, then bring up Sands. It was awesome. 10 out of 10.
So as I'm saying, viewers and subscribers, the lady I said the show was a good show. It was excellent. Everything, the turnout with the whole heap of people, them as she say, the show was packed. But, the 15 minutes of performing, which I say with Alkaline, me not really question it. I won't judge it because me don't know what really go on. Me don't know what him and the promoter have deal, what kind of deal them sign or whatever. But as I say, the artists, them really need to take the business, really need to take them craft serious, really need to take performance serious. But you go already, man, the artists them really out here do it same way them do it big for the culture. And to see this massive turnout for both artists, Popcaan and Alkaline, even though we see where we have Massacre and we have Valiant also where they made that do it. And as me say, the culture really dip on a rise right now, and everybody, every key players, everybody will have the momentum, will have that kind of energy that out there in our world really are dominate and really are do it big. So as I say, rival time, and when we go to rival, But as I say, everybody really out there do it big and I do it for the culture. So I love to see that and we love to see continuously I grow. But watch a performance with Alkaline, watch a piece of clippings with him, and that piece of clippings Definitely. Alkaline are one of them giant day in our business where, yo, the youth just arise. It's just like he has this superstar aura about him. This superstar aura about him where the man just different on a whole different level. And listen and watch this, people.
Nobody is just nobody when we can't go. Why go? Anytime you can see me to sit. Why you come to? Come me from time to time, but you don't come. Why go? I want to go to something. But don't want nobody. No, give me something to school. Marata, I can't do it now. Come on.
Just like that, people, as I say, this artist is a cut above the rest. This man is one of them young giant, them young veteran in our business where a lot of people look to him and look and see inspiration in him, and I will definitely say he's a youngster that is going to be remembered as time goes by and in the future when a lot of younger youths come about in the business, and they're always going to remember and remember artists like Alkaline and know say, yo, you see that youth here fight a certain fight in a business where no other younger artist really ever fight, and to see the youth triumph and rise above the rest, Jano, it's an amazing thing to see, and definitely we have really give artists like them flowers, because artists like them are one of a kind type of artists, and some of the time you may not see them artists again for another 10 years or even more than 10 years. So it's always good to really highlight them and show them and give them flowers while they're here. And as I say, a lot of artists really out here do it big for the culture. A lot of artists really bring the culture upon them back. And we know say Alkaline are one of them number one artists there from a taller time. Been a carry the culture upon him back. And he always stated it in music and saying that, yo, been a carry the culture upon my back from Black Ideas them till now. So Alkaline are one of them artists that were really do it. And also we see where he partnered with Rumbar, Rumbar partner with New Rules for this upcoming concert in Trelawny, Jamaica in July 5th. So that also is a great look. And for sister a youth where is like 30-year-old or 31-year-old is him have a business mind, and it's like not a lot of youth, young youth like him really coming at the business with a business mindset and say, yo, and not just the music, but there's also business to the music. So we see the youth out there really do it big. It's inspirational for a lot of youths. Definitely inspiration for a lot of youths. And as I say, he's a young veteran, a young giant in our business. I rub shoulders with some of them giants here, where elderly giants, and him still do it big. So it's a good thing for see, and it's also a good look for the culture.
Back on board with New Rules. They're heading to Trelawny. Talk about the partnership with Rumbar and how has the brand, pretty much positioned itself within the dancehall space, and having to now jump on board with Alkaline once again to celebrate, dancehall and just Alkaline being back on home shore performing for fans, etc. Go ahead.
Well, I don't think I could be any more excited than I am now. I mean, Rumbar joined New Rules when we first came out of COVID, when it last was held at the National Stadium in Kingston, and to hear that we're back and on board and supporting them in Trelawny is a big deal for us. Excited to share that we have a specialized bottle coming out, limited edition for the fans. So definitely we're looking to just rolling that out, and how we just make a great experience for the fans of Alkaline, for the fans and supporters of Rumbar as we move towards July 5th at Trelawny Multipurpose Stadium.
Let's talk a little bit more about the limited edition. Why did you guys decide to go this route?
Well, I just felt like it was time to strike out in a really big way and show our love and support for dancehall music and dancehall culture by showing, paying homage to his event and what it's done among, that young generation of supporters of dancehall music, and just showcase that, Rumbar is back. We're the official rum sponsor of New Rules Festival, and definitely we just wanted to commemoratize that.
Big up to him man himself, him do it big out here now, and big up to the rest of artists them are out there in the world that do it also for the culture. What I want you guys to do is make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. And let me know, share your thoughts in the comment section, what you guys think about this vlog and what you guys think about my perspective as it pertains to these two young giants in our dancehall space. Even though we know Popcaan, a bigger man in our business, him there in our game longer time. But, them two artists are really out there. Them really set the thing a certain way from at all a time when most of these veterans wasn't accessible to most of these shows out there in our world. So let me know what you guys think about this vlog. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Vibes and Inside with Nando. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.
Vice gone, hey my man. I'm screaming out to the baby daddy. Hear the man them not want but this stepfather for your people them. I must say no, I'm good with alcohol. Hey my man, fine, no Jesus. Hey, alcohol just fine, but them attacking him song, me attacking him. Jesus. Shanti, me say the boy still good. Me say me love on the tattoo, him skin, him muscle. Oh God, him dreads. Oh God, that's Zaddy right there. That's Zaddy, man. Oh God, the boy make me reminisce, Hello, good night. Good night. You can't afford me, Papa.